If you are looking for the perfect braid pattern that's flat and give you a natural look, a natural hairline, well, this is the perfect video for you. This is the beautiful flat results that you will receive. Look how beautiful this style came out. So let's jump into this video. Left side or in the middle. You want to part it there, and then you want to just braid those braids going straight down. For here, my client wanted a right side part. I braided those braids going down on the right side, on the left side, and going straight down in the back. Because her hair is long, I had to take the ends of the braids and crochet them upward. That is going to give the flat feel and the flat look that you want. And then I went in with what? My custom closure. Yes, my custom closure is going to give her all the fullness that she wants in the front and give her the perfect hairline. Yes, I'm using my custom closure and I am sewing it down in the back. This is going to secure it and make sure that this closure does not move. With my custom closure, remember, you never need to add any glue. Yes, ladies, this is a glue-free, low tension, protective way to get all the coverage that you want in the front, as well, again, as a perfect hairline. So I'm going to show you just how secure this is in just a moment. I'm going to pull on it so you can see. This will not shift, slide, or move throughout the whole duration that you have your style up. And that's what we want, ladies. We want our closure to stay put, stay in place throughout the whole duration without having to use any glue. So again, this custom closure, if you have not seen it, it is on my website. You can tap the link in my bio or in the description below to get your order in today. It's affordable, it's reusable, and it does come pre-braided for crochet braids as well. We are going to be using 3 lengths, a 22-inch, a 20-inch, and an 18-inch. And oh my goodness, look how beautiful this style came out. Again, look at the coverage that she has in the front. Look at that hairline. It is nice and natural looking. Her edges is protected. This is another great feature of the custom closure that I have, is your edges are completely protected. You don't have to worry about sewing on your edges. You don't have to worry about your edges being pulled on. No stress and no tension. So again, tap the link in the description below or in my bio to go to my website so that you can get your order in today, and you too can wear beautiful, flawless sew-ins just as this one without using any glue and getting any tension or stress on your edges. Thanks for watching. Please continue to support my channel and see you in the next video.